Actually, what to do, baby? Hi. So I was initially going to record one of those Bob Ross painting tutorial videos, so I whipped out, you know, all of my travel paints, because right now all of my furniture is still not here. And then I literally looked at what he does, and I don't have the materials for that. I'm pretty sure he uses more than one brush. So we're just gonna paint on our own. You're gonna chat with us. I was gonna do a little wine and paint session, but I don't know if this video would like be flagged if I had a cup of wine in my hand. Not that I'm underage or anything, as long as you're watching this in 2022, I believe. So I have the image pulled up on my computer, so if you see me looking down a lot, it is not only because the viewfinder is there and I'm checking myself out. Okay, this time there is actual purpose. There's a picture on the screen that I'm going to be painting. I'm going to be painting a skyline. Look at all these acrylics here, like every color of the rainbow. And then it came with canvases too. They're all wrapped up, so we're just going to unpackage these canvases. It even has mini ones. So the day I get my together, we'll be doing some mini painting. So we're going to bust open these canvases. I hate that I just said bust open, but I'm really excited because I didn't bring... paper. These aren't canvases, they're pieces of paper. Well, we're painting on it anyway, so fuck it, you know? Doing this on a bed that isn't even mine is probably not a smart idea, because I will spill something and get shit somewhere. Why the every fucking time, I swear to God. If I put my hair up to brush my goddamn teeth at night, it looks so good. It is the perfect messy bun that like I would pay for someone to do to my hair. But I record a YouTube video for the world to see, and this is what happens. This is the picture that I'm going to be painting. I figure because I'm moving to New York, it'd be nice to do something correlating with that. Let's just get this shit going, you know what I mean? Let's just wham bam, no green eggs a ham. Let's do this shit. We're going to take this ultramarine color in the shade ultramarine, and then we're going to take some white. So last time I painted in a YouTube video, it honestly did not turn out the best.
This is so disgusting. This is going to be such a disappointment.
You win some, you lose. You know what I mean? I probably should have used the bigger palette. Loop it right on in there. Now that is a nice sky blue. Here it is. Oh, see, we already got some on the towel there. You see that little drip? Oh, I was literally just talking about how much I wanted to frame this painting, and that it would be so good to commemorate for my YouTube channel and my 400 subscribers, which is about to be 500. Let's hit that 500. But then my camera stopped recording. Alright, I got some paint on my leg, but that's Gucci because we can wash it off. I want to go in now with like a little bit more lighter, so I'm going to add more white. Even though I know I'm going to do clouds and shit anyway, but I don't want it so blue. Like, that's just so pigmented, you know? I'm going to run out of white and I want to be able to fucking do the clouds. Wait, who? If you guys recall, I never used to have friends, so no one would Snapchat me, no one would, it'd be team Snapchat, you know, those Thanksgiving snaps, whatever. And so now when people Snapchat me, I'm like, oh my god, who is it? You know what I mean? But, yeah. I don't know where I was going with that. I think this is looking really good. Can you see this? I feel like Bob Ross right now. I feel like I'm gonna fuck it all up. Actually, oh, fuck. So I used to do silhouettes a lot, so I would always wait for it to dry. But then as I grew older, my patience grew thinner. So we're gonna go in with the clouds now because I don't have the patience to wait. I wanted to draw out the skyline before I actually did it, just because I wanted it to look really good, like sharp edges and all. But again, patience. Don't have much of that. Oh, look at this OOTD, guys. How do we feel? How do we feel? Probably not that good. We feel kind of bloated, honestly.
One minute, 37 seconds later.
Alright. I thought that was a cat, but it was just my pillow. Oh my god. Wait, that like looks good. Holy shit. That looks good. I like when I get asked for directions, because that means I look like I live here and that I have my shit together, and only one of those is true. cracked, you know? Fuck, that looks so bad in the viewfinder. I still want a cat, by the way. If you watched my latest video, again, remember, support me, guys. Support me in order to keep up. Like, my YouTube channel is like a television show. You know, if you miss one episode, you may be out of the loop in the next one. So you gotta make sure you're staying tuned. You gotta make sure you're catching up with the deets. I want a cat, and I just think it would be really good company for me, and that sounds really lonely and something that a literal loner says, but I just think it would be good for me to have an animal presence in my life, because the way that my dog made me feel back home was amazing. Like, I could be having such a shitty day and she would just brighten up my life. So I think that a cat would genuinely be beneficial for me, and for honestly anyone that needs that presence, because I know that once you click with a cat, like, you two are golden. Like, you don't need to have one of those mean ones or anything, you know? Alright, that's cute, okay. It's not that cute.
I really hope I got some content out of this video. Because if not, my lord, what a freaking disappointment, you know?
Guys, I feel like Bob effing Ross right now. Check this shazang out. It's like not focusing, but you get the point. It looks good. I'm really proud of how the sky turned out. I really don't know if you guys can see this, and I'm gonna try to maneuver in whatever way, shape, and form that I can. Thank you for watching. I literally have to clean this up. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope there was some entertainment involved. I'm gonna go. I'll see you guys next week. Bye! I missed the camera.
I got the briefcase with the money. What are you gonna do about it, punk? It's not even closed.
I'm fine. I feel the wine.
I've slowed down a bit, and I'm very warm, but only in certain areas. That sounded weird. My chest is very hot.